In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Salesforce to an Excel sheet. If you've ever found yourself needing to analyze your Salesforce data within Excel, you're not alone. Fortunately, the process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through each step. Let's begin by accessing your Salesforce account. Once you're there, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear. From the list of options, you'll want to select Setup. This will bring you to a new page where we can begin exploring the data export settings. To streamline the process, take a look at the left sidebar where you'll find a search bar labeled Quick Find. In this bar, type Data Export and press Search. This function helps us quickly locate exactly where you can manage and execute your data exports. Once you've entered Data Export, you'll notice that in the search results under the Data section, there will be an option simply labeled Data Export. Click on this option and you'll be directed to the Data Export page. This is where the real magic happens. The Data Export page allows us to select exactly what data we wish to export. You'll see a list of objects on this page. These objects serve as categories of data within your Salesforce account. You'll have choices like Account, Contact, and many others depending on your Salesforce configuration. It's quite crucial to be selective and choose only the objects you need to analyze within Excel. This strategy makes your export process faster and your resulting Excel files more manageable. Once you've made your selections, it's time to proceed by clicking the Start Export button. This button is prominently displayed on the page, making it easy to find. Upon clicking, Salesforce will begin generating your export files. Depending on the amount of data you're exporting, this process might take a little while, so feel free to take a short break and return after a few moments. When Salesforce has completed the export, you'll receive a zip file. This file contains your data sorted into neat CSV files, with each object you selected during the setup being represented. Open the zip file, and inside you'll find the CSV files ready for use. Simply double-click on any of these CSV files, and they will open directly in Excel, setting the stage for you to start your analysis. And that's it! By following these steps, you should be able to export your Salesforce data into Excel with ease. Once in Excel, you can take full advantage of its robust data manipulation and analysis tools. Thanks for watching, and happy data analyzing.